Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making chicken wings. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome and kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. Here I have 700 grams of cut chicken wings. Then I'll add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of paprika, then a thumb of diced ginger and also 2 cloves of diced garlic, 1/8 teaspoon of soy sauce. Then I'll gently mix them in to coat the chicken properly. This is fine. I'll cover with a cling film and let it marinate for a minimum of 1 hour. Here I'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of chili, half teaspoon of black pepper. Then for my herbs, I'll be using rosemary, thyme and parsley. You can use any herbs you like. Okay, then I'll gently mix it properly. This is fine. Here is my marinated chicken. Then I'll toss them in batches. Gently coat them with the flour. Dust out the excess. And repeat the same process for the remaining chicken wings. Time to fry. I'll be using medium heat. As you can see, the oil is already hot. So I'll place the chicken wings into the oil. Then I'll fry for 4 to 6 minutes until the chicken is golden brown. Here I'll add 1 cup of barbecue sauce, one tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. Then gently mix it in using a low heat and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, this is fine. Here I'll toss in the chicken wings, the sauce, and gently mix it properly until the chicken is well coated. And here is our delicious chicken wings. I'll sprinkle with a little sesame seeds. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.